problem is you think you have time.
Don't fucking die like this, bro. Get back to fucking work. It's time to get back to work. Stop hearing yourself talk. Get off the podcast. Don't be on social media too much. Cut out all the fucking noise. Get back to the fucking mental lab.
To get something, you have to sacrifice something.
Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
Then what are you willing to sacrifice every day?
How badly do you want it? You've got to pay a price to be the best. The best pay a big price. You've got to work harder, you've got to commit more, you've got to take more responsibility, you've got to deal with more ups and downs. How much are you willing to suffer?
You can go from failure to success, but you can't go from excuses to success. You can't do it. It's not possible, so don't even try it.
To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. The point is, every graduate has the training and the talent to succeed. But do you have the guts to fail? Here's my second point about failure. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. Every failed experiment is one step closer to success. You've got to take risks.
Success isn't about luck. It's about showing up when everybody else has gone home. It's about treating every rejection as a lesson, every failure as a blueprint. Your edge isn't intelligence, it's persistence. Your secret weapon isn't talent, it's consistency. Here's the kicker. The business you dream about, the success you visualize, it's waiting right on the other side of the grind.
To be successful at anything, the truth is you don't have to be special. You just have to be what most people aren't. Consistent.
Consistency, 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 man. That's the name of the game, bro. Don't get much simpler than that. If you keep going every single day and don't stop, your competition will fall off.
Your only focus should be on getting better at what you're doing. Focus on what you're doing, get better at what you're doing. Everything else is a complete waste of time.
We did not come this far to just break down and lose now. I'm a winner. I'm going to win.
What stops people from achieving what they want? And you know the answer, there's only one thing. What is it? Fear.
Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day. That's a third of your life. It ain't but 24 hours in a day. You cannot be asleep 8 hours a day. It's 11 o'clock on the East Coast. The stock market been open 2 hours. They already making decisions about your life and your ass was asleep.
Your reality changes the moment you start acting as if it were already true.
Always, always, always talk good about yourself. Always talk positive about yourself. Always tell yourself you can do it. Always be that encourager.
Life rewards action, not intelligence.
It doesn't matter who don't support. It doesn't matter who didn't believe at the beginning. It don't matter. All that matters is that you believe. You believe that you can get it done. You gotta have self-love. You gotta have self-respect. You gotta believe in yourself even when the world don't. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Whatever you wanna do, whatever that is in your heart that you know that you wanna take a leap of faith to go do, it's gonna work. I'm telling you, it's gonna work.
Believe in yourself. There's nothing wrong with having confidence. There's nothing wrong with being delusional. There's nothing wrong with seeing things that people don't see.
You have to be crazy enough to think that it's possible. That's how you fucking do something worthwhile. That's how you beat the fucking odds. You have to believe it's possible.
Break the pattern today or the loop will repeat tomorrow. Break the pattern today or the loop will repeat tomorrow. You must break the pattern today or the loop will...
You're going to fail. And then you win. Greatness demands pain, and only those who endure it will rise.
Life gives the hardest battles to the strongest soldiers. It won't break you. It'll make you stronger.
If you don't believe in yourself, nothing you build is going to last. And here's the part most people never understand. Belief isn't a feeling, it's a skill. You grow it by doing the things you're scared of. You build it by showing up when doubt tells you to quit. Confidence isn't loud. It's earned in the quiet moments when you choose discipline over excuses.
Take the biggest fucking risks of your entire life right now.
The more risk you take,
the luckier you get. If you're going to do it, do it. Say what you can do. Do what you say.
Why not you? You've got the brains. You can make decisions. You can study the plan. You can change your life. You can make your dreams come true. Why not you?
Nothing changes in the winner's mind. You understand that? You have to be obsessed. You have to be mission focused. You have to be driven by something greater than what average people are driven by.
Obsession's gonna be talent every time. You got all the talent in the world, but are you obsessed?
Discipline. It gives you control. It gives you respect. People want easy life, but easy life make weak men. Hard life makes strong men. So don't be afraid of pain. Pain is friend, pain is teacher. Discipline is everything. Without discipline, you are nothing. You can have talent, you can have potential, but if you don't wake up every day with focus, with hunger, you lose.
What is the best advice you've ever heard or received?
If you want something, go get it.
Be fucking fearless. Why be normal when you can be the best?
The magic you are looking for is in the work you're avoiding.
Never say you can't do it. Say I haven't done it yet.
It's only delusional until it works.
The best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
Discipline your thoughts.
Because thoughts lead to actions. Actions lead to habits. Habits lead to lifestyle.
Don't waste your life. Set your goals high.
A lot of people wait for perfect conditions to start. Don't realize that starting is the perfect condition.
Act like the person you want to become.
Never fear a storm. Learn to dance in the rain.
Believe in yourself and don't rely on anybody to believe in you.
Dream big, dare to dream, because everything is possible. Don't let anybody take away the dream.
What is the worst advice you've ever heard or received?
Can't be done.
Repetition is the father of learning. I repeat, repetition is the father of learning.
Don't react. Silence is strength. Keep it. Don't fear. Courage wins. Don't hesitate. Your time will come.
Get up. I don't care if you're bleeding. I don't care if you're broken or if your body is shaking. Get up. You are not finished. Not yet. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is proof you're still alive. Proof you're still in the fight. Scars are lessons. Wounds are fuel. The weak let pain bury them. But you're not weak, are you? You're still breathing. That means you still have a chance to strike back. So stand, clench your fists, let your anger sharpen your focus. Let the fire in your chest remind you why you fight. This is your battlefield. No one wins by staying down. Your battle isn't over, not until you decide it is. Now, rise and fight.
Fear has come for me. It stands at my door and it waits. Not to fight me, but to see if I will break myself before anything has even begun. But it does not know who stands behind this door. It should have learned that before it ever came. I have faced worse. I have walked through nights that would have buried many. So when fear speaks, I do not answer. When it rises, I do not step back. I open the door and I stand there, unmoved. Because fear was never sent to stop me. It was sent to measure me, to see if I would bow. But I bow to no one but God. I do not retreat. Let it wait. Let it watch. Let it try. It will learn the same truth they all learn. There is nothing here it can take from me. Nothing.